All right, up next, we're going to implement the list topics, so we can list the topics that are available in the broker. So for example, here, if you come here in the Confluent Kafka documentation, we just implemented the deleted topics. Now we're going to implement the list topics, and you can see that it requires a topic to be specified, and it can raise a Kafka exception as well. So we're going to rely on that documentation one more time to just go ahead and implement that method. Okay, so come back here into our code. We just finished the create topic, and let's go ahead and create the list topics. And we're going to return a list of string, a list of the topics that are there. So it's just going to basically list all of the available topics in the cluster. All right, so let's get a topic metadata, which will be our admin client, and we're going to straight call out the list topics. And you've seen that timeout. Let's just put a 10 here, just to not keep waiting. Just want to prevent hanging indefinitely if there are connection issues. So 10 seconds is usually enough for most of the clusters. So let's keep it with 10. All right. So then we can get the, since we only care about the names of the topics, from the metadata, we can just extract the keys, and then we can convert them to a list for them. It will be easier to handle in the future. So we can do topics. We're going to get the metadata here, and the topics key, and the key associated with it. Okay, a list of keys. Let's log this. Retrieve the topics from cluster, and then we can say what are the topics that have been done, and simply let's just return topics. That one was a very simple one. All right, on the next one, we're going to see how we can add partitions to a topic that already exists.